So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking or trying to learn a new language but you feel stuck? So in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to learn faster, smarter, and actually have fun doing it. So learn a new language faster using ChatGPT. So let's say for example the textbooks are kind of great to learn a new language, but Apple's apps are also helpful, but ChatGPT is like having fun with your own language. So you can practice conversation, translate phrases, learn grammar, and even get instant corrections using ChatGPT. So start by telling ChatGPT your target language and your current level to make sure that it gets you well. So ChatGPT will respond with a plan, vocabulary list, grammar tips, and even how many minutes to study per day and all that. So now type, like you can type, can you like have basic conversation with in Spanish? So let's say for example I want to learn Spanish, you go ahead and you tell ChatGPT to do that for you. So it will go ahead and create for you the basic conversation for you. Then if you know how to reply and chat, give it a feedback, no pressure, no judgment, just ask it, and then you can even tell it to um, translate it to English, to see what it says, because I don't know how to speak in Spanish, but I'm just enjoying. So you can as well use this claro, something like, I don't know how to pronounce those, but as well you can read here Espanol, there's the Spanish and all that. So you can practice using ChatGPT. This is the language, the Spanish language. Then you have the English. So you can even learn new vocabularies. So ask it to teach you something like, let's say for example, we give it this prompt. Let me give you this prompt. So teach me 10 food related words in French and use in a sentence. So it will go ahead and do that for you. Look at that, very fast. So there is this words here. It has even given you the English version. There's the word I eat bread every morning. That's given you the French word and all that. So you as well you can read through. You just practice with it and all that. So struggling with verbs, tense, or articles, just ask ChatGPT to explain to you. Like for example, the past tense in Italian, in Italy, and other languages that you want to read. So the key is consistency. ChatGPT remembers your level in each chat. So build on it daily. Try quizzes, write your journal entries, and role play scenes like ordering coffee or asking for directions and all that. So if you want to make it fun, ask ChatGPT to teach you slang, translate your favorite song lyrics, or you can even turn your vocabularies into a rap, yep it can do that too. So learning a new language doesn't have to be kind of boring with ChatGPT. It's a personal, fast, and kind of fun. So practice, repeat, speak with confidence. Practice, repeat, and speak with confidence. Remember that. Like this video, subscribe for more AI hacks, and comments for target language below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.